Is your blood sugar holding you back from enjoying life? Do not worry, because a promising new therapy will help reverse your blood glucose levels, ensuring you stay happy and healthy. High blood sugar levels can make you not function properly, as it can cause other problems, such as skin infection, tiredness, blurred vision, unexpected weight loss, etc. Hello viewers, I am Jenny and today I am going to review of GlucoBerry Diabetes Supplement. GlucoBerry is a blood sugar support supplement with remarkable therapeutic effects. They enable the kidneys to eliminate excess sugar from our bodies by cleaning the gray mucosal substance that blocks the route. One capsule is recommended daily to achieve the desired result. GlucoBerry is a natural blood sugar support formula formulated using unique ingredients tested and proven suitable for blood sugar. The supplement is designed to target and address the real root cause of your blood sugar, ensuring your condition improves each day of taking GlucoBerry. Research conducted at John Hopkins University found an unusual process that manages our body's sugar level. The phenomenon is called blood sugar drain. As the name indicates, this system flushes out all the excess sugar from our bloodstream to lower its levels. GlucoBerry pills contain magical maki berries that stabilize blood sugar drain to manage diabetes. How GlucoBerry affects blood sugar functions. When insulin removes excess sugar from the blood, it sends it to the kidneys. Researchers from John Hopkins University discovered that the kidneys have a particular blood sugar drain that sends unwanted sugar into the urine. If everyone has this organelle, why do some people have problems regulating blood sugar levels after eating the same amount of carbs as others? How did Dr. Mark Weiss solve this problem? He painstakingly researched natural fruits and herbs that dissolve the sticky gray mucus protein and strengthen the filtering power of the blood sugar drain. In addition, combining these natural ingredients to get the right dietary formula helped GlucoBerry become an effective blood sugar control supplement. These natural ingredients support blood sugar removal when in excess. As a result, your body can eliminate extra sugar through the urine. Benefits of GlucoBerry supplement. Removes blood sugar spike after carb-rich food. It helps normalize sugar levels. It has a 180-day full money-back guarantee. Developed by a seasoned health practitioner. It contains healthy plant-based ingredients. Does not contain genetically modified ingredients. Simple, secure, and easy-to-use website. Yields effective results in no time. Discounts and free delivery are available. Pros and cons of GlucoBerry. Pros. GlucoBerry is 100% natural. It is easy to use. It works effectively. It is doctor formulated. No need for prescriptions, injections, or drugs. It will help you save money. It supports healthy blood sugar levels. It is affordable. All customers are guaranteed 100% satisfaction. Cons. You will not find GlucoBerry on any other website or store. It is only available on the official page. GlucoBerry discount will not last for a long time. The results may vary between individuals. Some may see changes earlier than others. Scientific ingredients in GlucoBerry. Every GlucoBerry capsule contains maki berry extract and other supporting potent ingredients sourced from organic plants. These ingredients have been combined in the proper dosages and work synergistically to ensure your blood sugar drain works well. Here are all the ingredients used in the GlucoBerry formula. Maki berry extract. Maki berry is the star ingredient in the GlucoBerry formula. The compound is commonly found in Chile and Argentina. The problem is that it is hard to source this ingredient because very little is professionally grown, while most are harvested from wild plants. Chromium and biotin. Chromium and biotin are supporting ingredients that are suitable for improving insulin sensitivity. Studies show that taking 400 milligrams of chromium daily helps with lipid profile, eliminates oxidative stress, and helps manage diabetes. Gymnema leaf. Gymnema leaf is another ingredient proven to help with blood sugar control. This tropical shrub is common in the forests of Africa, India, and Australia. 200 to 400 milligrams of gymnema extract has been shown to minimize internal glucose absorption while helping with type 2 diabetes. Where to buy and pricing of GlucoBerry. The supplement is available on the official site at an affordable price, and the earlier you get the supplement, the more you will save. If you order your bottles today, you can save up to $540 with the 6 bottles pack. This is a limited time special offer, so you should purchase your bottles sooner to save more money. Here's how GlucoBerry pricing breaks down. Buy 1 bottle for $59. Buy 3 bottles for $49 each. Buy 6 bottles for $39 each and get free US shipping. Is GlucoBerry safe? GlucoBerry has been manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under strict and sterile conditions. It has also been tested by third-party laboratories for safety and purity. How many bottles of GlucoBerry should I purchase? 3 to 6 bottles of GlucoBerry are enough to unclog your blood sugar drain. But even after using GlucoBerry for 6 months, you can continue taking it as you will enjoy other health benefits. What should I do if it does not work? GlucoBerry will work for you, but you should claim your refund via the official site if you dislike it. Contact customer support, and your refund will be processed immediately. The manufacturer offers a 180-day money-back guarantee. If the supplement is not reacting as it should, you can simply return or replace the product. So there is nothing to lose. You either get treatment and a life-changing experience or your full money back. GlucoBerry nutritional supplement is a one-of-a-kind, doctor-designed solution for people struggling to keep their sugar levels in control. There had been no product before it that blocked fat accumulation across the pancreas, letting the kidney perform its function with ease and efficiency. It provides robust control over your blood sugar levels and promotes the health of the pancreas. After watching this review video of GlucoBerry supplement, if you buy it and get huge discount offer, so buy only from official website, you cannot find it on other online stores or e-commerce websites. Thank you for watching.